In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Immersive Translate to Chrome. By the end, you'll have the extension installed, visible on your toolbar, and set up with the right translation options so you can read pages, PDFs, and even videos more comfortably. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. We're going to use the Chrome Web Store, which is the official marketplace for Chrome add-ons. Head to the Chrome Web Store in your browser. Once you're there, look for the search box and type Immersive Translate. Then open the listing that matches that name. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation box will appear. Go ahead and click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install it in the background. This usually takes just a moment, so wait until you see the notification that the extension has been added. After it's installed, make it easy to access by pinning it. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the small puzzle-shaped icon for extensions. You'll see a list of your installed extensions. Find Immersive Translate and click the pin icon next to it. That places the extensions button right on your toolbar, so it's always just one click away. That's it. The installation is complete and it's ready to use. Now let's quickly set it up. Click the Immersive Translate icon on your toolbar to open its panel. Here, choose your language settings so the extension knows which languages you prefer to read and which ones you want translated. You'll also see options like Translate Page and Bilingual Mode. Turn on Translate Page if you want the entire page converted into your selected language. If you prefer to learn or compare, Bilingual Mode shows the original text alongside the translation, which can be really helpful for understanding context. With these options enabled, Immersive Translate can automatically help you on most websites. It also works with PDFs and videos, applying translation where supported so you can follow along without copying text into another tool. If a page loads in a different language, the extension can step in and translate based on the preferences you just set. A quick safety tip before we wrap up. If you ever can't find Immersive Translate in the store, go to its official website and use the direct link to the Chrome Web Store listing from there. That ensures you're installing the legitimate extension. You're all set. Enjoy smoother reading and learning across the web with Immersive Translate in Chrome.